Hello, great viewers. This is HappyMaths on the platform. This interesting question from quadratic equation. We have completed the square formula method, the graphical method, factorization method. But we are asked to use completed the square. And let's go. Please, if you've not hit the subscribe button, hit your subscribe button, turn your notification to follow us for more contents. We have it as k squared plus 4k equal to -3. Transpose the positive to be negative. Now the next thing we do, we add or multiply by half coefficient of k. Now this will give us k squared plus 4k plus half of 4 squared equal to -3 minus 3. Let's follow what we have here, 1 all squared. Now on the left hand side we have it as k squared plus 4k 2 and 1, 2 into 4, that will give us 2 squared, then minus 3 plus, same applicable here, this will give us 2 squared. Hit the subscribe button to notification. Please, in a completing the square, don't be in a hurry to make this to be 4 due to combine the highest power of 2. So we have it as k plus 2 squared. If you expand k plus 2 squared, you get this back. So this will give us -3. -3 plus 4, that will give us 4 minus 3. Now, from there, what do we do? 4 minus 3 will give us rather 1. Let's make it to be 1. Now, on the left-hand side, we square both sides. This is k. We square to remove square root. Plus or minus 1. Because it is square, it have to be into 2. Positive or negative. Then this will give us k plus 2 equal to plus or minus root of 1. Now, from here, we have it as k equal to transpose positive to be negative plus 1. The root of 1 is 1. Therefore, k is equal to -2. This is positive or negative -1. Or, again, k is equal to -1, -2, -1. Positive here rather. Therefore, finally, k -2 plus 1 will give us -1, or -3 minus 2 minus 1 will give us -3. This is our final answer. Hit the subscribe button, turn your notification, and follow us for more contents. Bye.